Hey, it's been a while, but I'm back. So, how did I make $311? Let me start this whole thing over. So, first trade we're going over is what is it called? It is Apple. I made 63 bucks with Apple. So, I got in at Apple puts at 13.39. Let's see. So, 13.39. So, this candle right here. Basically, what I did was I played the support and resistance, and so basically, as I saw that it had peaked at 210.19, and I saw that it was about to get close to 210.49, which was the previous resistance, I was like, okay, it's probably a good time to get in for some puts. But overall, in the trade, I wasn't feeling really confident, so I sold out early for either a 2 or 3% gain, which resulted in a $63 gain. So the next stock is Amazon. So let's look at Amazon, but let's look at the price that I bought it in. So Amazon, where's Amazon? So I bought into Amazon around 13.18. 13.18. Let's see, Amazon. What did I say? Calls? Wait, how did I forget that fast? No, puts, I'm sorry. 13.18, I bought into puts. So let's see. Let's see, 13.18. So this candle right here, I had bought into puts because as I was saying that Amazon was going down and it broke the 9-day moving average, and then I had saw that it tried, bouncing back up, you know, and I had saw that it was touching the 9-day moving average. I knew it was gonna go down. I was confident in the trade. And so as soon as it touched the 9-day moving average, it took a little bit of time, and then overall it went down, and which resulted in me making a $82 gain. And I sold out at I'm sorry, this is taking too long, but I'm very sorry. Um I sold out at 13.23, so this trade wasn't that very long. It was just a couple minutes, really. But yeah, that's the Amazon trade. Okay, so then the Nvidia trade. Nvidia, I bought into puts again. Puts, 11.16. I bought into Nvidia for puts. So let's look at the graph. And looking at the thing, the time. It looks like I only spent 2 minutes on this trade. So let's look at it quick. 11.16, I bought in. Was it puts, right? Yeah, puts. So I bought into Nvidia for puts. Let's see. Okay, so this, or is it this count? No, okay, this candle. So when I had saw that Nvidia was about to approach sort of close to the previous candle's high, 122.62. I had saw that it was getting close to it, so I bought it around like 122.25 or 0.27 maybe. And so I played the support and resistance on this one. And so when I had saw that it was getting close, I bought into Nvidia. I waited to see if which way would it go first? Would it go down 5% or would it go up 5%? And so basically I just waited it out and saw that, percent, which way was it gonna go? Was it gonna go up 5%? Was it going to go down 5%? And I wasn't feeling very confident, and so I just sold it for an $83 gain, which I think was like a 3% gain again, I think, or a 4% gain. I'm not sure. And yeah, basically, I just didn't want to stay into Nvidia because it was very volatile. It was very volatile. Okay, and the last stock that I got into was UNH, United Health Group. So this is actually a long play because let's see, and it's up 1.51%, but I got into UNH when it was down during the day, which was around, when did I buy? Why is the time messed up on this thing? Oh no, it's not messed up. Okay, I bought into UNH at 11:14, and then I bought another call at 12:45. So I bought into UNH at 11:14. Let's see why. Oh, I don't have it here, but I can pull it up right now. UNH. What time is it? Oh my god, I hate. Well, the gist is I bought it into 11:30. Did I say? Oh my god. Let me see. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 11:14. 11:14. Right. There we go. 11:14, which means I got in this candle. Part of the reason I had bought into UNH at that level was because I saw that on the daily chart it had touched 484 the previous day, and you can see that on this chart, 613, it's 482 level, or what's it called, 612 is the 485 level, 610 is the 484 level. And so basically I used my personal resistance, my personal support level was 484, and as soon as it touched it I bought into calls. And basically the reason I bought into calls into UNH was because right now I feel like I wouldn't say it's severely beaten right now, but it's kind of at a level of support. If you look at the graph, like 423, it touched 482. You look at 429, it touched 485. You look at 52, it touched 481. And so I felt comfortable buying it at 484, which I got into. And then later on during the day, I think I bought one more call, which was around 1210 something. Yeah, 1210. And yeah, basically this is more like of a long-term play, so if it goes down further, that's the reason I bought like a year out leap option, or a call option a year out. There you go. That way I don't have to worry about, in case this keeps going down, I don't have to worry that much about it. And my strategy with a long year leap call or leap put, whatever, right, is that if it's down more than 15 or 20%, I'm out because I'm not really feeling confident. But since this is how do you say, a stock that's, their market cap is in the billions, right? And you're talking about a company that's, you know, mm, it's been profitable since 2004. There's not a single year that haven't been, not profitable. And so, in a way, I feel like right now healthcare is rotating out, as in like, mm, as being the picks of right now. So like, how do you say it? I don't know how to say it. Basically, tech is the one that's getting, that's going up right now. Meanwhile, health and I guess banks. Well, health is rotating out of that rotation because it was all, UNH was like at an all-time high around May, around this area. If you see it, so around 5.8 through 5.22. That's when UNH was at an all-time high, and then you can see since 5.23, UNH started declining or going down. And so, yeah, I feel like, it's like these sectors are like rotating out and, they're doing their own thing, stuff like that. I don't know. That's the way I see it right now. Um, but yeah, basically, UNH, I bought in. That's, I bought it because I felt like to me that was a good, support level. And if it keeps going down, good. But, you know, if it goes, and my personal, how do you say, like, percentage to sell, UNH is at 25%. So if this, my options are up 25% for UNH, right? So if this is like how you see on the screen where it says 1.51% changes to 25%, I'm out. I'm out. And so that's, you know, my goal with UNH. Or if it's up 10% and I feel comfortable selling it at 10%, good, I'll sell it at 10%. But that's, how trading's been. Um, Trading wise, how have I been trading, right? I know I was in a very bad mentality a couple months ago, and stuff going on in life and all that jazz. But I think since April 29th is when I started taking this a little bit seriously, right? That's when I was like, okay, I need to lock in or have a positive outlook on this, you know, um, thing called trading. Trading, right? And like, if I really want this to be a career in the future or something, right? Or if I ever want to use margin in the future, I should actually take this seriously and not, be like, yeah, this is fake money. I can YOLO it into like unbelievable positions. You know what I mean? Like, and so basically, this is how trading's been since I've taken it seriously since April 29th till now. I'm up 22,557 with 16 cents. I've changed for the better. And mostly, if you look at these plays I've been in. They're mostly SPY. It's been Tesla. I'll talk about CRM in another video. That was probably my biggest trade. That was up like 25%. And I traded Apple, Microsoft, Home Depot, AMD, Starbucks, Shopify, PLD, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, Adobe, PayPal. I would have been up a lot on Adobe. It had like a big spike the other day. And so, yeah. And then, PayPal, Ford, Norway Cruise Line, Chevron, Lilly, Eli, I think that's how you say it. Disney, Qualcomm, UNH, CCL. Oh, and then there was this thing where I was doing like a little bit with what was it? I was playing options, right? Using like this website called Options High IV, highest implied volatility. Yeah, so I was using this website called Bar Chart. Basically, I tried using this website to find like stocks that had the highest like how do you say, where is it? I'm trying to find it here on the screen. Oh, the highest open interest, right? And so I would buy into, right here, like it says, puts, strike price is 2.50 cents, expiration date is 7/19, it expires in 23 days. And so I was doing that for a bit, but I feel like I can do it. I think I got a little bit carried away. I might talk about how I use this website to make a couple trades. It went well, but then I think it was GameStop and some other stock called FFIE that didn't do so well. And so, yeah. But anyways, I'll talk about that. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully, you've been okay. You've been, I don't know, practicing trading or investing. Obviously, investing is very important for the long term, right? And so, yeah, what do you guys think about crypto? Crypto right now is crashing, I think. Let's see. Crypto. Nope. Right now, Bitcoin is going back up. Well, but then you can see like on the weekly, it's down 3% as of now. But ever since 6:15, it's been in a downtrend, and right now it's below the 20-day moving average. Who knows if Bitcoin could keep crashing down? I don't know. But what do you guys think? And other than that, that pretty much wraps up the whole video. And if you guys did like it, I don't know what to say. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more consistent. I'm sorry if I've been absent for a bit, but yeah. I mean, if you ever want to sign up to Webull, you can sign up on Webull's website, or you can sign up with my Webull link, whatever you guys choose, really. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully, you guys have a good day or good night. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow or whenever I upload next time. See you guys. Bye. Take care.